Laundry rooms get cluttered fast, and the folding table is usually the thing that makes or breaks the whole space. I've lost count of how many client rooms had a pretty cabinet run, but nowhere to sort a basket without stacking it on the dryer. That's the mistake. In this top 12 countdown, I'm showing you folding table ideas that actually save space, handle real laundry, and still look intentional, so you can steal the best one for your own room. I've installed a few wall folds that looked smart on paper, then sagged the first time someone leaned a basket on them. This rank lands here because the hinge span and wall blocking matter more than the finish. If you don't hit studs or add plywood backing, a 24-inch top can feel flimsy fast. A butcher block over the washer and dryer looks warm, but I'm putting it here because laundry rooms are humid, and that wood needs real sealing. I've seen edges swell where detergent splashes hit the front lip. A 1.5-inch top works well, but only if you leave a little clearance for vibration. This floating ledge is handy, but I rank it lower because it's really a support surface, not a true folding zone. The best ones I've built are 10 to 12 inches deep, just enough for a stack of towels. Go too shallow and clothes slide off. Too deep and it crowds the aisle. A rolling table sounds flexible, and it is. But I've watched them become the place where socks, spray bottles, and random receipts pile up. The hidden storage is why this ranks here. If the drawers are only 8 inches deep, they actually stay useful. Deeper than that, and the cart gets bulky fast. This slide-out board is clever, and honestly, it's the kind of detail clients brag about later. I'm ranking it mid-pack because the hardware has to be dead straight or it binds. A 15 to 18-inch pullout is usually enough for folding tees, and it disappears cleanly when you're done. A freestanding farmhouse table earns its spot because it gives you real elbow room, not just a token surface. I like one around 30 inches high and 48 inches long, with baskets underneath for sorting. The trade-off is obvious. It eats floor space, so it only works when the room isn't tight. Quartz at the top of a laundry setup feels pricey because it is, but the reason I rank it here is simple. It shrugs off bleach splashes and hot irons better than wood. If you're adding an undermount sink, the seam work has to be perfect, or lint catches along the edge. That detail matters. In a tight laundry room, a drop leaf table earns its spot because it disappears when you need floor space. I've seen 18-inch deep leaves work best, especially when they're anchored into studs. The common mistake is using flimsy hinges. Then the whole thing wobbles every time you press a warm towel down. A folding table built into the cabinet run feels smartest when the countertop line stays continuous. I like a 30-inch high fold-down panel tucked between base cabinets because it gives you a real working surface without breaking up the room. Honestly, the trick is matching the cabinet face frame so it looks intentional, not added later. Right beside stacked units, a pull-out folding shelf solves the problem nobody talks about, which is where to sort wet socks without blocking the door. I've found 12 to 16 inches of slide-out depth is enough for a laundry basket and a folding pile. Skip soft close hardware here though, because a little firmness keeps it from sagging over time. A reclaimed wood folding table with a drying rod brings in warmth, but the real win is function. I like hanging the rod 10 to 12 inches above the table, so shirts can drip without hitting the surface. The rougher grain hides scuffs, which matters in a room where wet baskets and detergent bottles get dragged around. A compact folding station in a laundry closet usually wins because every inch has to pull double duty. I've built them around a 24-inch wide counter with a hinged front, and that tiny ledge still gives you enough room for socks, labels, and a basket. The surprise is how much calmer the closet feels when clutter stays off the floor. The best folding table is the one that fits your room, your laundry habits, and the way you actually move through the space. Some of these ideas are simple. Some need a little more build-out. But they all solve the same problem, giving you a real work surface without crowding the room. If this helped, hit subscribe, like the video, and visit OmniHomeIdeas.com for more home ideas and practical design tips. Brad Smith and Omni Home Ideas, always keeping it real.